How to add sounds to Discord soundboard. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser and then move into the site discord.com. Also, you need to make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, it will land you on this interface. Now tap on this three horizontal line at the top left corner and then move into any of the server. Tap on this little down icon and then head over to server settings. The option of soundboard will be visible to you. Click on it and then click on upload sound. It will redirect you to this page. Right here you can see it says choose a file. Click on browse beside it and then once again click on files. Head over to audio. From here select the sound that you want to upload. Let me select this file to upload. Click on it. Now you just need to enter the sound name and the related emoji. And once you are done, tap on upload at the bottom right corner and the sound will be uploaded successfully. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to add sounds to Discord soundboard. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for staying with us till the end.